Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and back up your PS5. Maybe you're getting ready to transfer it, or maybe you're getting a new PS5 and you want to make sure that this one's backed up. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So first things first, you want to navigate to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Afterwards, you want to scroll down and click on System. Then from here, you want to go ahead and go into System Software and then scroll down to where it says Backup and Restore. So what this is going to do is that right over here, you have the option to back up your PS5. So this is going to back up games, apps, data, and a console storage to a USB drive. And so just to point out, that USB drive that this is talking about, it's actually going to be in the front of your PS5. So any backup storage, you would actually go ahead and plug into right over here where the USB slot is, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and back up your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.